Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable background apps inside your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. The first method is to disable background apps in the app setting. So what you want to do is click on the search bar down below. Then you want to type in settings and then head on over to your settings. And now on the left hand side there's a whole bunch of tabs here. You want to click onto apps. Then you want to click onto installed apps here. And then from here, click on the three vertical dots next to the app. And then you want to look for something that says advanced options. If it doesn't have it, you won't be able to edit the advanced options. So for demonstration, if I click onto media player here, where is it? Media player. Click on media player, click on the three dots. I've got advanced options next to that. So if I click into that, but yeah, if you hit the three dots and if it doesn't have advanced options, well, that app doesn't support managing its background permissions. Alright, now we're inside this advanced options inside media player. And where it says background app permissions, let this app run in background. So click the drop down menu and you can edit it here to have never always. So if you want to disable it, go ahead and click on never. And then once that is done, you want to just head back. And now that has been saved. That preference has been saved. Alright, now another useful method to do this is to disable background apps via the battery settings. On the left hand side here, you got inside settings still. You want to click onto system. Then you want to click on the power and battery tab here. And now you want to click onto battery usage. Click on it to expand it. You scroll down. 31 apps have been found here. Alright, you can manage your background apps, disable it from clicking on these three dots here, but if it's not bright, so you see these dots here, I can't click onto it, but phone link, if I click on the three dots, click onto that and then click onto manage background activity. And then again here under background component permissions, let the system component run a background. You can click to never, so you can adjust it from there as well. So there's a few here that I can adjust and there's a few that I can't as well. 8 system components can be found. Alright, so I'm going to head back again. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.